Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a little introduction or description of how to share your doc once you've created it. I'm going to assume you've already completed the two parts of the field experience, or you've completed your document. This works for any Google Doc. And you're ready to share it. So in this case, the instructions are to share it with Burns Brandon at apps.district279.org. So I'm going to copy those using Control-C, and then you go up to share. And if you click in this add people, and I copy and paste it, and I click done, it's now shared, right? Alternatively, you can go up here and open the change the share settings, right? So click on change and do it so the link can be seen by anybody and do it that way. But for this assignment, I want you to share it with me directly so that I'm able to interact with the document. All right, thank you so much. Please let me know if you have any questions.